Hello, good day, everyone. Welcome to Thinkally. Thinkally is Nigeria's largest school management software, and I'm glad to announce to you that we've introduced a brand new version that is an upgrade of the previous version of Thinkally. So now, in this tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the overview of what I call the new Thinkally. The overview of Thinkally. Thinkally, as we have it now, has so many modules that have been added into it and hundreds of features that is not there before. So let me take you through the overview of this. So the overview of Thinkally. Thinkally has several modules, like the dashboard module. Like you have colorful representations of different kinds of users and different things in Thinkally. You have the student module. Let me quickly show you how the typical dashboard will look like. The typical dashboard of Thinkally looks exactly like this. So don't mind my internet connection. I think it's pretty fast. Okay, so you see the typical dashboard of Thinkally. You have students currently enrolled in this particular account. You have 36 students, 29 parents, 44 teachers, 84 subjects. You have a summary of accounts. Can you see the beautiful graphs here? Shows you how payments, the flow of payments within the year, within every month. You look at the profile here of the admin of the school. Look at, even there's a graph that shows you the distribution of attendance into classes, and you also have a notice board. You have site statistics, shows you how many visitors have visited your account in the course of the month. You also have a wonderful calendar here that you can use to display a timeline of events or upcoming events to all of the various users of Thinkally, talking about parents, teachers, and other users in the course of a term. So whatever the admin sets here as a notice on the calendar will be displayed to every user throughout the system. The system as we have in Thinkally is quite complex. I mean, don't let me say complex. It is quite upgraded. It is not complex in the sense that if you have been using the previous, and even if you haven't, it's something you should easily get on with. So this is how the typical dashboard of Thinkally. But all of this will only come on when you have started inputting various kinds of users and carrying out various things, operations, making use of all of the modules that we have on Thinkally presently. Let me return back to the account with which I want to do today's tutorial. Okay, the name of the school is Galaxy, and that's the username. And by the way, that's what you're going to be given when you get a copy of Thinkally. So what is Thinkally? Thinkally is not, it doesn't work installed on your local computer. It's a cloud-based, more or less an internet-based software, whereby when it is installed for you, we're going to send you your school's username and password. That's the one that will be used by your own school's software admin. Look at the dashboard of this particular school, Galaxy Schools. So I'm showing you the dashboard, the student module, the parents. I'm going to continue this overview in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.